Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Freshdesk for sales and support alignment, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Freshdesk account. Navigate to the admin dashboard located in the sidebar. In the admin panel, look for the customers section. Click on subscriptions under the customers tab. Next, select the add subscription button. Fill out the relevant customer details in the subscription form. Make sure to include the customer's email address for notifications. Choose the appropriate plan from the available subscription options. Click on the Save button to create the subscription. Now, access the Teams section in the admin panel. Identify the sales and support teams listed there. Ensure both teams have the necessary permissions for visibility. Next, configure notification settings for both teams. Set up alerts for new subscriptions and updates. Monitor the activity feed for any changes in customer subscriptions. Utilize reporting features to track fulfilled subscriptions. Encourage team members to regularly check subscription statuses. Communicate any updates or changes directly through Freshdesk. This process will enhance sales and support alignment effectively. Remember to review and adjust configurations as needed. Your subscription setup is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.